I was just setting up my reporting table for my Pinterest ads for a brand new client that I onboarded this week, and I thought what a great opportunity to show you how you can set up your Pinterest ads reporting dashboard as well, so you're not constantly looking for information within your dashboard. Hello, welcome. My name is Adriana. If you don't know me, I run the Pinterest marketing agency Kordial Media, where we offer do-it-for-you services when it comes to Pinterest marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Pinterest reporting dashboard. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button and to hit the bell to be notified every single time I post a new video here on the Kordial Media YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into the video.
All right, in your ads dashboard, this is what you see under reporting over here. It'll usually populate to a table of overview, but in a perfect world, instead of choosing a table that Pinterest made for us, we would choose our own. So I'm going to show you what I like to add in my table. So first thing under details, I like to see the parent details. I like to see the pin image and the pin description, but I don't necessarily care to see the ad format or the product group ad format. I don't care to see the ad group billing type or the flexible daily schedule, daily budgets. So really just these three things under details. Under scheduled budgets and bids, I really only care to see the daily budget over here. Then under engagement total, I look at pin clicks, CTR, CPC, saves in some occasions, outbound clicks, and that's it. Under checkout conversions, now if you're not an e-commerce store and you're just trying to generate leads, then you would do this for either signups over here or lead conversions. But if you are an e-commerce store, the next thing that I like to look at is checkout conversions. Total CPA, ROAS, conversion, so this is like the amount of sales or amount of checkouts, the order value, and sometimes I'll look at the total click-through conversions because this number is sometimes a little bit more accurate than, these ones or this one. And you can even look at the click-through order value, so that's cool too. Back under next, I like to look at add to cart, CPA, add to cart ROAS. I like to look at add to cart ROAS because it gives me an indication of how close I am to getting my goal checkout ROAS. So the higher the add to cart ROAS, the better it is, or the better the sign. It's a better sign for your checkout ROAS to start coming in. So total conversions, the amount of add to carts, and sometimes even the add to cart order value is cool to look at, but really I don't do much with this. And that's it. I click over here, save for later. I like to name my table under reporting, and I like to make it my default table. Save. And what it gives you is all of the details that you asked for. So the spend, the result, cost per result, although I didn't ask for those. Sometimes it will record things that you don't ask for. Impression, CPM. I didn't want gross impressions either. I don't know why those are there. Okay, we actually missed overall performance, and that's why. So if you've missed some stats and you want to fix them, what you do is you go back. So yeah, overall performance. I do like to see the spend. The result is not necessary. The cost per result is not necessary because what is the result? Reach, I like to look at. Frequency is important to show how often your Pinterest ad is being shown. Impressions, CPM are good. Gross impressions, gross pin clicks, goal type is good. Actual goal value, not necessary. Target goal value is cool to see as well because you can actually ask Pinterest to change the goal type for you. Because when there's an actual goal attributed to the campaign, it will help the campaign optimize for that goal. So email your Pinterest rep in order for them to change that for you because you can't do it yourself. Target goal value and percent to goal is not necessary. So now I'm going to click save for later, and I'm gonna click override an existing table and select my reporting table, and then I'm still gonna make this my table default. Save. And there you go. Now, like I said, if I was looking for sales, I would change the goal type probably to checkout CPA or maybe even add to cart CPA.
If you're wondering how to optimize your Pinterest ads, feel free to download my guide in the description box below. It'll teach you exactly how you can do this on your own. As well, if you'd like to hop on a call with me to chat about your Pinterest ads or your Pinterest account, feel free to do so. My calendar link will also be in the description box below. If you have a question or comment about anything mentioned in today's video, feel free to write it below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. On that note, I will wish you a wonderful rest of your day and we will chat in the next video. Bye for now.